Traders, you want to be on the lookout for news events. Now, we've uploaded a video recently on the strategy where we're trading the blue shaded zone here through the London Open. Everything stacks up for a short. There's a signal coming into this optimal entry time frame, high to low retrace. Okay, we can take this trade, 5-minute time frame, entry point, and we've got a nice trade. Now, here's the thing. This strategy will give you quite a good outcome. Generally, we're looking for the red signals only if these bars under here are red. Now, come into the US Open. Being a nice sell opportunity, got taken out. Why? You want to enable these events. Obviously, if there's an event coming up, we do not take the trade. That's the time to stay out. So we've got a Canadian unemployment rate here that obviously impacted the market, as you can see. Actual was weak data. It came in under the forecast. It weakened the CAD, and the stronger currency at that point was the Aussie, and it rallied. You want to enable these events so that you make sure you don't trade into them. Go to settings. Make sure your time zone's New York, because we're all running off New York time zone with our Forex session times. Come down to events. You want to enable economic events and go OK. Going back over here to the London Open, you can see there weren't any events and we had quite a nice outcome. And with that, I'd like to invite you to join our free 30-day trial. Go over to the website, tradingwithanthony.com/Forex signals. There's a couple of videos on this page about this. This will give you access to our full VIP membership for 30 days, 100% free. Okay, with that, guys, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading, and we'll see you in the next video.